Merging audiences in Mailchimp consolidates multiple lists into one, simplifying your email management. Here's a step-by-step guide to merging audiences. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Audience. Click on the Audience tab from the main dashboard. Select the audience to merge. If you have multiple audiences, you need to select the one you want to keep. Click on the audience you want to remain as the primary list. Export context from the other audience. Go to the other audience you want to merge and click Export to Audience to download the CSV file of the context. Import context into the primary audience. Return to the primary audience. Click Add Context and choose Import Context. Upload the CSV file you exported, map the fields appropriately, and complete the import process. Update subscriber information. After importing, ensure that subscriber data and preferences are correctly updated in the primary audience. Delete or archive the old audience. Once the import is complete and verified, you can delete or archive the old audience to avoid confusion and keep your account organized.